I just wanted to do a quick video just to help people that are beginners like me setting up the Deluge with the Moog Werkstatt, using the Deluge as a sequencer, sending the CV to the Moog and then recording it back in as an audio track. Some of the things I found out I had to do: obviously gate out, CV out, into the VCO exponential FM in, and gate in, V trig as well rather than S trig. Despite what the manual says, I found that was the only way to get it to work without having a delay. So out of the Moog into your mixer, out of your mixer back to line in, set up your CV track as you would as normal. Make sure I've set it down at C1 to get the full range. Normal CV sequence. Obviously you can not hear anything, but if you do your audio track and learn the input, you can monitor it, set that running. Also do the automations. Turn the CV off. We've just got the audio track running. It should be in time. Hope that helps.